with a bucket list. Destinations we want to travel to. Adventures we want to experience with people we love. Realistic? Unfortunately, most of us don't think we're in position to check much off our list. At least until we retire, hopefully at 65. Until then, we escape through the small screen in our hand, a window into the lives of the select few who've figured out a way to turn their bucket list into stories they'll tell for years to come. But we miss the smell of the salt water, cooling our feet from hot sand, or catching our breath after an adventure. Sure, we may do something here and there that, when seen on social media, looks like we're living our best life. But the reality is, for most of us, life isn't what we expected it to be. We want more. What if checking something major off your bucket list once or twice a year was normal? What if getting back from an amazing destination wasn't a letdown because your next adventure was already booked? If you're the type of person who believes spending money on experiences is just as, if not more, important than spending money on material things, then you'll understand why this information is being shared with you today. We don't want you to wait another minute to have those experiences, whether it was time, money, or know-how that held you back. Fortunately, over 14 years ago, people like you and I started sharing Dreamtrips, an insider travel and experiences app with their friends. This exclusive, invite-only vacation membership creates Dreamtrips to help people all over the world, from 18 to 88, vacation sooner and experience more. Dreamtrips gives couples the ability to reconnect and enjoy quality time. Dreamtrips helps parents make up for lost time, replacing disposable toys with unforgettable new birthday and holiday traditions. Dreamtrips offers the go-getter an escape from reality and a chance to recharge. Dreamtrips connects single people with other adventure seekers who don't want to settle for a boring life. And the list goes on. Dreamtrips makes vacationing simple and affordable. Typically, traveling can seem expensive because it's hard to know if the price is fair, and the planning process can feel overwhelming because most of us aren't experts. But as members of the club, we get access to over 5,000 privately negotiated bucket list experiences all around the world every year. Dreamtrips takes all the hassle out by pre-packaging the best destinations and activities and putting them in an easy-to-use member-only app where we can browse, book, and go at exclusive prices. Prices that can get even better thanks to Dreamtrips points, our virtual currency. They're not cash, but points can be used as an additional payment method to reduce a portion of the cost of your dream trip at the rate of $1 per point. As a new member, we'll jumpstart you with some points to use right when you enroll. Then, the more you engage with our ecosystem and the longer you're in the club, the more you'll earn. In fact, each dollar you spend during the year to maintain your membership is credited back on your anniversary date to help keep you traveling. We've also partnered with local restaurants and experiences, so our members earn 30 to 50% of their bill back in points. Now, let's book one and show you how it compares. Decide if you're bringing the kids, then continue to checkout. The total shows the Dreamtrips price, which is already better than the best online prices. And if you have 240 points, we'll reduce the price you pay by $240. And while trips can't be paid for exclusively with points, they will help you vacation sooner. Amazing value compared to other travel options. And the trip prices include so much more than just the accommodations. See, there's a difference between a vacation and a dream trip. Each trip is unique. For this one, imagine the moment you land. We've got pre-planned airport transfers waiting to take you to the spectacular, all-inclusive Azul 5s. Upon arrival, you're welcomed by a Dreamtrips host who will help you get checked into your one-bedroom residence and take advantage of everything that's included throughout your stay, starting with a glass of sparkling wine and a 5-minute neck massage. Before you know it, you're setting sail for adventure on your half-day catamaran tour, wrapping up in a robe waiting to be pampered in the spa, or simply deciding which body of water you want to lounge beside. That is a dream trip. Ever sailed the high seas on a floating buffet? Cruising is always a favorite vacation experience, and they're a staple in the Dreamtrips app. You also have access to other flexible travel options beyond the Dreamtrips catalog. We have access to every itinerary on every ship at pricing you won't find anywhere else. Or if you want to stay on land, grab an anytime escape and go when it works best for you. Although they aren't dream trips with a host, they offer incredible savings, and they still allow you to use points. With dream trips, you can't go wrong. In fact, it might cost you more to stay home. And we have membership levels for all types of travelers. If you're a new or infrequent traveler, the kind of person who may only take one trip per year, our entry-level Dream Trips membership is an incredible value for $100 one time and then only $32 a month. If you want to go on 1 or 2 vacations per year, maybe a few small getaways or work trips, Dream Trips Gold is perfect for you. For only $200 one time and just $25 more per month, you'll have all 5,000 plus Dream Trips to choose from. Plus the flexibility to create your own experiences with hotels, resorts, car rentals, and even cruises through your exclusive Dream Trips rewards portal. Similar to Dream Trips points, you'll be awarded rewards credits equal to your monthly membership fee to reduce a portion of each booking. We even have an online mall. Platinum members are willing to pay a little bit more for an elevated experience. They appreciate extra inclusions, such as additional excursions, spa treatments, or upgraded transfers. We even allow Platinum members to redeem 50% more points per trip. And because they look to take 3 to 4 shorter vacations per year, or even a couple 7 to 10 day trips, we offer advanced access to Dream Trips ahead of our other members. We even build trips exclusively for Platinum. Plus, with emergency medical evacuation coverage when you travel, and telemedicine access when you're at home, we offer the priceless benefit of peace of mind. You even have your own concierge with a network of connections who can do everything, from score sold-out tickets to a game or concert to sending a team of maids to clean your house. And at $300 one time and $100 per month, these benefits and more are all within reach. Finally, for travel in a class all its own, we offer our Titanium membership. It comes with all the other Dream Trips benefits, of course. In fact, you can use even more points on trips and get even earlier access. But that's only the beginning. Titanium brings truly elite service, rare and aspirational experiences, and ultimate convenience together in one place, right at your fingertips. Tired of flying first class? Call your Titanium concierge and upgrade your party's flight to a private jet. Cruise ship too crowded? Take to the high seas with your family aboard a luxury yacht. Or simply want to fall off the map? Titanium can help you rent an exotic villa, luxury home, or private getaway. With unrivaled access to the world's best properties, white glove personal care for your travel and everyday assistance, preferred tee times at the most sought-after golf courses worldwide, dedicated visa and passport support, and incomparable Titanium-only invitations to experiences as a benefit, Titanium excels and exceeds expectations for the discriminating traveler. And whether it's a frequent occurrence or the type of indulgence reserved only for the most special of occasions, Titanium makes it more accessible. All this for $1,000 initially and $150 per month. Dream Trips Titanium members are our most elite travelers. Whichever level you choose, we've got trips close to home, like the dazzling lights of the Vegas Strip, or kids screaming down the slides of iconic water parks, or journeying to far-off lands and watching cheetahs run alongside you on an African safari, exploring the sands of Dubai on camelback, walking the historic Great Wall of China, cruising the Caribbean, tasting France atop the Eiffel Tower, floating through the canals of Venice, Italy, feeling like a fish and scuba diving the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, or giving with our hearts and hands by building schools in Guatemala. Each bucket list checked off is the heartbeat of Dream Trips. By now, you can see why hundreds of thousands of people have decided to become members. No matter what membership you choose, Dream Trips eliminates the regret of never creating those memories. We believe it's time to stop looking at your phone and start experiencing the world through your own eyes. Welcome to Dream Trips, your ticket to vacation sooner and experience more. Aren't you glad your friend invited you to Dream Trips? This is exactly how it was designed. We invite people we love to experience more together. It's why we've spread across the globe for almost 15 years, and it's all by invitation only. As Dreamtrips members, when we invite our friends and family to join us, we're rewarded with additional points for each referral. Refer 4 friends at your same level or higher who remain active customers, and as a thank you, get your monthly fee waived. If some of your referrals select a lower membership level than you, no problem, as you'll still receive some credit. This allows you to refer more than 4 and still meet the requirements. We'll continue waiving your fees each month you maintain the active referrals needed. In addition to customers, the only other people who can share invitations to the Dreamtrips Club are Worldventures representatives, who are incentivized differently. Customers are rewarded with Dreamtrips points and can get their monthly fee waived. Reps can earn commissions for each membership sale within their network. This option isn't for everyone, but it's no secret people are searching for ways to supplement their income. Because what's currently coming in every month just isn't providing the lifestyle they truly want. With income levels flat and the cost of living continuing to rise, something's gotta give. But maybe you don't want to turn your car into a taxi or rent out your spare bedroom. And with all the demands on your time, you want a side gig, not a second job. What if there was something fun to do with your friends, at home or out, which has the potential to create additional income that provides some real freedom? What if it could help you build some leveraged and residual income, allowing you to potentially work less so you could spend more time doing what you really want? If that sounds enjoyable, then you should consider becoming a Worldventures representative for only $50 one time and $25 per month. As a rep, you can earn both individual and team sales bonuses based on the sales volume of your customers' initial fees and their monthly dues. To help you do that, you'll have access to a robust virtual back office tracking and training platform right from your phone. We have hundreds of Worldventures and Dreamtrips employees dedicated to handling operations like customer support, product development, expansion, payroll, etc. So our reps can focus on what they do best, sharing Dreamtrips just like this, building relationships, and helping others. It's a small cost for a big upside if you take it seriously. To start, anytime you personally make a sale, you'll earn a direct commission based on the product purchased. Here's an example of direct commissions and some other bonuses based on gold sales. Personally make 6 sales and earn $170. If those each refer 1 for a total of 12 in your first 8 weeks, then your total earnings would be $420. And higher product levels generate higher commissions. Personally make 6 platinum sales in your first 8 weeks and earn $600. Of course, as your organization continues to grow and develop, you can get paid a variety of bonuses. Another benefit of having 4 active personal customers and advancing through the ranks is you'll start earning a matching percentage of your personally enrolled reps' weekly commissions. Additionally, with as few as 12 active customers in the team, you can qualify to earn a percentage of the product dues paid each month by every member who joins through your sales network. And since this is a global concept, this has the potential to stretch around the world and create substantial income. These are just some of the ways you can earn as a Worldventures rep. So let's recap. With Dreamtrips, you now have the ability to be on the other side of the screen. Pick the membership level that's right for you and access the app right away. You can also choose to represent Worldventures and earn income. Or you can do both. Thanks for watching.
Are you tired of watching us on vacation? Look, there's room for more. Just do the thing and come with us.
Now get ready to vacation sooner and experience more.